Hello good people. So today we will be showcasing our turbo cuisine. So today we shall be boiling our arrowroots. I'll add them to the turbo cuisine. What I'll do next is now add the water. I have added my water to the water level where the water comes slightly above the arrowroots. The next step is now closing my turbo cuisine. I will power on our turbo cuisine. Select the option 2, which is boil. So with that, I'll choose the timing that I will want. So as our arrowroots are boiling, I'll mention a few features that we have on our new turbo cuisine by Molinex. Here with me, I have 2 of them, the turbo cuisines. I have a 5 liter in capacity and I have a 7.5 liters in capacity. So the turbo cuisine has 10 programs. In the 10 programs, we have the stew option, we have the soup option, we have the stir fry, the steam, the bake, the slow cook, porridge, yogurt and ferment, reheat, and the adjustable chef mode. So compared to other versions of electric pressure cookers, the turbo cuisine outstanding with the fact it has a delay end program. In this feature, you can set, it depends with the time that you'll get home. You can have your contents inside, you set to begin at a specific time. So at that time that you'll be arriving home, it will have started cooking. So the power consumption is very low, it's 1,000 to 1,200 watts. So with this turbo cuisine, you can find them in our showrooms. We have the Mirage, we have our showroom still at the ABC, and we have it at the Housewives Paradise.